How to download Epic Games Store. So if you want to download Epic Games Store, then first you need to simply open up your Microsoft Store. You can go for your apps and then you can search for Microsoft Store. And once you go for Microsoft, here you will have your Microsoft Store, right? So here on the upper side, you will have the search icon where you can search for apps, games, movies, and many more. So you can simply go for the search bar and search for Epic Games Store. Once you have searched, here you will have your Epic Games Store. So you can simply click on that, and here you can click on install. And once you click on install, it will start the download process. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application. And here you will have this another window, right, which will pop out. So you can simply click on yes. And that's it. Now your app has been completely downloaded. You can go back and now you can go for your apps, and here you will have the search bar. You can search for Epic Games, and here you will have your Epic Games apps. So that's it. That's how you install, or that's how you download the application on your PC or laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.